Perfect practice. What is the meaning of perfect practice? Friends, usually we all know that practice make a perfect man. But friends, this is the half truth. Not only hard work and practice is enough to achieve our goal and our work. And that's why friends, perfect knowledge has given to move ahead in our life. Not only practice, but instead of a perfect and proper guidance can make a perfect man. Otherwise, sometimes friends, we got a failure and we try to give up it. And that's why you need to know that perfect and proper guidance can make a perfect man. Friends, if you like this video, then you can share and thumbs up my channel so you get more perfect guidance through my videos. Thank you for watching this video.